Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're out in Mammee Bay and we're giving you an update on the China Harbour Engineering Company's massive development out here. Now this is a 740-acre development. It's so big that people are starting to refer to it as a mini Chinese city. It's going to have hundreds of homes, commercial developments, a massive development out here in St. Anne. This is probably the largest development in St. Anne, and that speaks volumes because St. Anne is one of the most developed parishes in Jamaica. The most developed parish, or the parish with the most developments, is close. It's between St. Catherine, St. James, and St. Anne, but St. Anne has an edge because of the size of the developments. So this land was actually given to China Harbour Engineering Company. They specifically asked for this land. They were given 1,200 acres of land in return for building the highway. It was like to get China Harbour Engineering Company, which is one of the largest engineering companies in the world, they're in the top 5, to Jamaica. The government gave them this land to build. In return, they would build a highway or work on the north-south highway, which they did, and the government gave them 1,200 acres. 740 of those, of the 1,200 acres, is right here in Mammee Bay. Now, this is phase 1 of the development, and the development has 6 phases. This is one of the largest developments in Jamaica. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on what's happening here. In Mammee Bay, St. Anne, a massive new development is taking shape that many observers describe as a mini Chinese city within Jamaica. The development is driven by China Harbour Engineering Company, one of China's largest engineering and infrastructure firms. This project marks one of the most ambitious residential and community developments on the island in recent years. The site spans about 740 acres of land near the coastline and the Roaring River watershed, and CHEC plans to build a gated residential community designed to house roughly 4,000 people. Over 800 homes, including apartments, townhouses, and bungalows, are planned across 6 phases of construction. Phase 1 has already begun, and the project is scheduled to continue over several years, with full development expected around 2030. Alongside housing, plans include green spaces, parks, community facilities, retail areas, and other amenities intended to create a self-sustaining neighborhood. Construction continues, and the Mammee Bay development stands as one of the most prominent examples of Chinese investment shaping Jamaica's built environment, blending modern housing initiatives with local economic and environmental conversations. Alright guys, that's the end of the update. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.